So, listen, I just showed you around the city of Singapore if you got a 5-hour layover. But let's say you're one that lends himself to anxiety and is worried about catching that flight and you don't really want to leave the airport. Well, I'm going to show you right now the top 4 things to do in the Singapore airport besides eating, because there's a lot of good food options as well, but I want to show you the attractions. Sunflowers, butterflies, carp, and the jewel, baby. So let's go check it out right now. You can take trains in between. Let's roll. This is June. She's the customs immigration lady. She helped me find the sunflowers. Mate, the hospitality in this country, June, you're the best. 谢谢.
不客气.
再见. Gentlemen, we're live right now. Look at these sunflowers, baby. Even though it's dark, life is good in the sunflower world. One of the only places in the this is one of the only places in the airport you can have a cheeky little cigarette, which is not why I'm here, but I just wanted to see these beautiful sunflowers even though it's getting dark, baby. All right, but sunflowers is one of the cool things you can see if you come to Singapore Airport. So if you happen to be flying into Terminal 2, don't have much time, you can check out that sunflower garden, and then you can hit up McDonald's, Mickey D's. There's a Subway. McDonald's, Subway, but then this is my favorite, the Straight Food Village. Get some chicken rice, get some clay pot, all that local goodness. Some people are going to be afraid of it, but it depends how you feel, but it's actually like legitimately decent quality, so that's something to consider. Food-wise, Terminal 2, go upstairs, check that out. Every terminal has these carp ponds and stuff to see the fish, so you don't have to switch terminals if you want to enjoy the fishies in Changi, Singapore Airport. Guys, this is the Butterfly Conservatorium, and man, it's just gone dark here, so a lot of these butterflies have gone to sleep. This is in Terminal 3, which the A side, so it's actually beautiful, man. Nice gardens, waterfalls. But yeah, not a lot of luck with butterflies this time of day, so might as well come during the day, eh? You leave the Butterfly Conservatorium, you go past the transit lounge and walk to your left into the movie theater. What an insane way to use a layover. So free movie theaters. They're older movies, but still, man, that's one of the differences that Changi has. Hey, so sweet. So Terminal 3, butterflies, movie theater, another decent food court, the carp as well. Sometimes you gotta run for those trains. So I gotta get to Terminal 1 for the finale. I have not seen the Jewel of Singapore, so I am pretty jacked up right now. Pumped up, ready to go. This is a little bit confusing, but there's a beautiful thing called the Jewel, but it's actually through security. The only way to see it is get on the train from Terminal 2 to 3 or 3 to 2 and look out the window to the western side of the train, I think. Right, ready?
Yeah. Wow. I was slung down for it too.
So, being on this train for a while now, I'm gonna give you the tip, right? Do not clear security. Just go straight to the Jewel. And if you do want to enjoy the train, stay out of security and ride in the front carriage from Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. That is, I reckon, the bread and butter right there.